Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I pray everyone is blessed in this beautiful evening. Today I'll be showing you how to create, well not create, it's already on Design Space, how to make Dr. Seuss, it's thing 1, thing 2 candy jars. So we're just going to go ahead and start. This is a short video. I already have the images uploaded to Design Space. So what I do is I just go to images. And in the search box, we're going to type in thing, not thing. It's not under thing 1, thing 2. It's Dr. Seuss. And then we go ahead and click on the images we will be working with. I'm going to be working with thing 1, the circle, and thing 2. Once we select the images we'll be working with, you're going to see them at the bottom of the screen. We go ahead and insert images. Now we're just going to go ahead and size the circles, which they will be a 2 by 2 because they go in the middle of the candy jar, like on the clay pot. And we close it, we go to the next one, and it will be a 2 by 2. This will be a print and cut. It's not an SVG. And how we know that, you go to your right hand side and you see the little printer right here next to the image. Once we size the images, we go ahead and click on Make It. And I'm making 4 jars. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on 2 and click on Apply. I want to save this little piece right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on 4. And I'll just save the, well, you know what? I'm going to click on until I get my 8 by 11 page. Let's see, 6, right there. Let's see, 8, what happens? No, 8 takes me to another page. I'm just going to do 6. And I'll save some paper. 8.5 by 11. White cardstock, 80-pound white cardstock. Now we go ahead and click continue. You're going to choose the machine that is connected to your computer, laptop, or your iPad. And we go ahead and send to printer. I only want 1 copy. Oops, I moved the camera. Okay, once we get here, what we do, I only need 1 copy. We go ahead and click on print. Okay, once it prints, what you do is load your mat. Once you load your mat, you select your material. Leave it just on cardstock. Then we go ahead and let me show you guys when we load the mat. Okay, it's loaded. Then it's going to tell you to press the flashing button. You just go ahead and press the go button. Once it prints out, I'll be right back so I can go ahead and show you how to assemble the Dr. Seuss candy jar. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, we're back. Now that we have our cutouts, let's just go ahead and start. We have our circles, thing 1, thing 2, and we have the ribbon, we have teal and red, we have the 4-inch clay pot, we have the 4-inch lid, we have the 3-inch fishbowl, red paint, teal, light blue paint. We have the knobs. And that's about it. First, we start painting the knob. What I do is just take a 12-inch dowel rod, place it in the rod, and we just go ahead and paint the knob. Once we paint that knob, we go ahead and let it dry, and it'll be something like this. This is what I'm painting. Once it dries, you take it off your dowel rod, set it aside, and put the other one to dry. Next, we're going to go ahead and clean our bowl. Take off the sticker, we apply a little bit of water so we can clean this bowl.
I'm so sorry we can't make your barbecue. I'm just sick about it. Different kind of sick.
A little bit of water, let it set, so we can go ahead and wipe it off. Check out that sticker. Some stickers come out easily, some you have to use a little bit of oil or alcohol, acetone. Set it aside. For the lid, we're going to paint the lid red. I already painted the bottom part. This has like 3 coats. You go ahead, top part. Paint it. This will take like 3 coats of paint. What I do is once I paint the lid, I'll just set it aside and start painting the other one. By the time I finish the other one, this one will be dry. You can put it in front of a fan, you can put it outside. Depends on the weather. I'll just put it in front of a fan, let it dry. It'll dry faster. Okay, we set it aside so it can dry. Once dry, it'll be something like this. Now we go ahead with the Clipart. Let me check my sticker. Oh, it's still not set. No, Clipart. Painter's tape. And we go ahead and cover the lid. Once we put the tape, we go ahead and start painting the top red. Okay, and this will take like maybe 3 coats as well. Once we cover the entire clay pot, we go ahead and we set it aside. The top coat doesn't matter. You can do it. Just cover it all. Once you cover it all, you set it aside to dry, and it will be like this one. Once the red part dries, we go ahead and remove the tape. paint in the bottom from the tape. Once you remove that blue tape, you're going to start painting that lid blue. Okay, once you clean it up, you're going to go ahead and start painting. Oh, I hit another bottle.
Look at me, I got pussy.
Okay, let's just go ahead and start painting. Precise. You go ahead and start painting the bottom lip. It's going to take like maybe 2 coats for the bottom part. It's best to use a flat brush, that way you can go ahead and go on the edge. Once you paint that, you set it aside, and you will have the clay pot just like this. You don't have to paint the inside. Your clay pot will be just like this. Once you have it just like this, we'll go ahead and grab our E6000 glue, and we're going to go ahead and clean where is it? Right here. Clean our fishbowl. You just go ahead and scrape it off. It comes right off. Take the napkin and go ahead and clean your bowl. What's wrong? Once your bowl is clean, go ahead and take your E6000 glue, place it around the rim. I always let these dry 72 hours before shipping.
Yeah.
Grab my cup. Last clean. Clean it in the inside. And then we go ahead and place it. You set it aside to dry. We take our lid, our knob. We apply E6000 as well on the lid and knob. Just a dab. The E6000 glue. And place it on the lid. Okay. So this is already dry. It's been drying. This is already dry. You put that lid. You can fill it up with candy, gumballs. You take your ribbon. Well, before you take your ribbon, just remove the lid. I forgot. Your stickers, you're going to apply it right in the middle. And for that as well, I'm going to use a little bit of E6000 because my hot glue is not turned on. Now I didn't make these stickers. I'm just applying a little bit of E6000 on the paper. And I'm going to apply it right in the middle. It holds pretty well with the E6000. And we let it dry as well for 72 hours. Once it's ready, don't worry about getting it on the other side. It'll dry clear. Now we take our ribbon. That fell. And we go ahead and just make a little bowl. Take my lid off. Just tie it around the base. Just measure it. Cut. And just tie it. I can't find the end. Okay. There it is. You can put it to the side a little bit. And there is your jar. At the end of the video, I'm going to finish all these and just post a picture. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.